Hello, welcome along to your latest Met Office update. It won't be as hot on Friday, but still temperatures likely in some spots to get over 30 Celsius, still rather sticky and humid as well. Many places will see at least some hazy sunshine, but it's not going to be as sunny as recent days. There'll be more cloud around, and we are now starting to see thunderstorms developing, and there's going to be more of them through the course of Friday. There are Met Office yellow weather warnings in force. One or two thundery showers during Thursday evening over northwest Scotland, parts of Wales as well. An increasing chance of seeing some heavy showers for Northern Ireland and back into western Scotland through the evening. And then across the south, we could see one or two more thunderstorms. Now, as always with thunderstorms, they'll be very hit and miss, but there is a chance you could get woken up by a rumble of thunder or a flash of lightning. That's if you can sleep at all, because of the temperatures, which will be very high once more, sticking in the high teens. Some towns and cities may not drop below 20 Celsius. So it's a warm start to Friday, but it won't be the blue skies that many of us have seen over the past couple of days. There will be more cloud around, certainly in the zone across the Midlands down towards the southeast, some cloud around and some outbreaks of heavy rain. The initial showers over western Scotland should clear, but then we are expecting further thunderstorms to break out through the day, particularly over parts of the Midlands, southern England, but spreading up into northern England and again across Scotland. Some heavy ones for Northern Ireland possible too. Maybe the odd shower across Wales and southwest England, but here, well, we may well stay largely dry. And even elsewhere, in the zones where we are expecting thunderstorms, they will still be hit and miss. But if you catch one, you're going to catch very heavy rain, torrential downpours, large hailstones are possible, along with lightning and thunder, of course, as well. So some disruption is possible from these storms. It will be another warm and humid day, with temperatures, especially across the east, likely to get into the high 20s, maybe low 30s in a few places. Not quite as hot further west. Still pretty sticky, though, and pretty humid, but it is going to turn fresher for the weekend. Before we get there, though, continued risk on Friday evening of further thunderstorms, northern England and parts of Scotland in particular. We will start to see more wet weather then for Wales and southwest England. This is a band of rain swinging in from the Atlantic. This won't be as active or as thundery, so we're not particularly concerned about that in terms of warnings, but further thunderstorms likely to continue into Saturday morning further east. Again, it will be a warm night, but it won't be as warm. Temperatures just starting to drop down, again, particularly in the west. Look, the wind's coming from the southwest now. Fresher air is on the way. This line of rain coming in for the weekend is this weather front tied into this area of low pressure that dominates through the weekend and introduces cooler air from the Atlantic, much fresher conditions. It won't be as hot, it won't be as humid, but with low pressure nearby, there will still be plenty of showers. So here's the details for Saturday. Some thunderstorms still across the northeast initially, taking a time before they clear away, and then more showers just drifting in. There will be some drier and brighter spells in between, but again, the showers will be on the heavy side, just not the real thundery beasts that we're expecting over the next day or so. Temperature-wise, well, Saturday sees much fresher conditions, so we're back much closer to the high teens or the low 20s and a fresher feel with that breeze from the Atlantic. So yes, the next 24 hours, we are concerned about thunderstorms. Not everywhere is going to see one, but where they do happen, well, they could cause some problems. So we have Met Office yellow weather warnings in force. It could cause some disruption. And then into the weekend, that change, it turns fresher, still plenty of heavy showers around, and at times it will be fairly blustery. There are also high levels of UV at the moment and high or very high pollen levels also. Plenty going on. Make sure you stay up to date with the latest from the Met Office by following us on social media.